Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. It's David here at Digitrains. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by our new workshop team member John Dixon, this time on a Hornby Class 72XX. John used our Manor Class Protodrive sound file on a Zimo MX645R sound decoder and a rail exclusive mini sugar cube speaker. In addition, to keep things running nice and smoothly, he also installed one of our LaisDCC stairlights. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound, fitted to your locomotives, please contact our workshop team on 01522 527 731 or via email johng@digitrains.co.uk. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.